Okay. Just playing around with a cheapy ukulele, and this is what I came up with. This is my Resonator. And I tried those digital tuners on your phone. My phone doesn't like them or something, so this isn't tuned. So I bought a rosewood bridge. It was way too big, and so I ended up gluing some corn dog sticks together for that. This is a bottom of a peanut can, and I had some stain in the garage, so I just threw that on there. And my Grumpy Grandpa's sticker. So I'm into this for less than 20 bucks. And the problems I have are the fretboard is not straight, and the kit is total garbage. They made the neck out of finger jointed wood, which you would never do with a real guitar. And the fretboard's plastic. And I wasn't sure it would hold if I used the glue that it claimed to use for it. So I put a couple screws in. They're not in the right spot, according to my brother. But hey, it looks good. It's all that matters. It's not really probably going to be played for anything, except just to play around. Because these were made for kids to paint and make all pretty and then throw them in the closet. But there you go. That's it.